Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that the universe was created in two stages. The first stage, in the first stage, there was nothing in the pre-universe, and the basic elements were created. And in the second stage, that is also called the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. Now I will return to the first stage in the creation of the universe, and I will explain what is nothing. Nothing is actually is defined as quantum fluctuations, and quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from those changes in the amount of energy, virtual particles can be created, and from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from that real particles, actually the basic elements were created. Okay, so that was the first stage in the creation of the universe. The second stage in the creation of the universe was the Big Bang stage, and in this stage actually all the matter in the pre-universe was concentrated in a small dense point, and the density of that point was infinite, and from that reason it exploded, and this explosion is called the Big Bang, and from this Big Bang, all the elements, the star and the galaxies were created. Okay, so that is how the universe was created. That is the two stages that the universe was created. And in relation to the second question, who created nothing, the answer is very simple. The answer to that question is that nothing was never created. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations, and that nothing was never created because it always existed. So we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage there was nothing in the pre-universe, and the basic elements were created, and in the second stage of the creation of the universe, that is the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. And as I've already said, nothing that is defined also as quantum fluctuations was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.